My system uses dry boxes, and so I needed a way to feed the filament from the side. I designed the whole system to be as low drag as possible, low profile, easy to print, and I used some common things like roller skate bearings, which you can add a tiny bit of WD-40 to really get them to spin as free as possible. And the filament can enter from the side any box. In my filament boxes, it can enter from any height, high or low, any angle with this 4-bearing guide. And this guide is removable and adjustable with the clips that hold it to the gantry rails. This system also has a filament break sensor, which came with my Sidewinder X1, and I redesigned the sensor holder to be in line with the feed. You do have to make sure that that cable that it attaches to the sensor is free, and also be sure that the swivel can is not over tightened and it can swing freely, because it will pivot with the filament. That's about it. I hope you like it.